Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
All these badges require funds. At least 30-35 badges of ours, members, they don't have funds, and neither the banks are willing to fund them. They feel that what is the guarantee that the mining will start? If we have to spend almost, at least for big badges, will require something between 70 lakhs to 1 crore for repair of these badges. Small badges, at least 30 lakhs to 50 lakhs जाय पडटा repair करपाक. Since banks are not going to fund, the only person who can fund us is Economic Development Corporation, means EDC of Goa. And we have given letter to the EDC that kindly fund these badges, because this is now the bare necessity. These badges, if they are not repaired, even Goa government will suffer. The income of Goa will come down. And now that all the barges are being registered under MSME sector, and MSME is the priority of Government of India, we feel that funding at this stage is much easier. So Government of Goa, as well as Port Ministry, under the leadership of Mr. Michael Lobo, Honorable Minister Michael Lobo, has promised us that he will look into it, and he'll also make efforts to see that the barges are made available when the mining starts.
टुरिझम आणि 2 वर्सां तरी जाग्यार येवचे ना. मायनिंग आशिल्ले तशें सुरू करात म्हूण मायनिंग पिपल्स फ्रंट मागता.
आणि गोंयच्यो मायनिंग जर सुरू जावपाच्यो जाय जाल्यार दोनच पर्याय ताका आसा. एक, सुप्रीम कोर्टान ताणें ऑलरेडी स्टेटमेंट केलो लास्ट टायम की आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना, मायनिंग आसा त्यो 2037 पर्यंत हें करपाक तयार, आमकां ऑब्जेक्शन ना, असो तांचो स्टेटमेंट आशिल्लो. लेजिस्लेटीव क्युअर म्हणजे एमेंडमेंट करून 2037 तक हें एमेंडमेंट करून सरकारान ह्यो गोंयच्यो मायनी चालू करपाक ताची आवश्यकता आसा. आज एम्प्लॉयमेंट खंयच्योच आनी इंडस्ट्री दिवंक शकना, कारण फुडले 2 वर्सां तरी टुरिझम गोंयचो उबो रावंक शकचो ना, कित्याक टुरिस्टच गोंयांत येवचे ना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी विवेक प्रभू.